The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision, long-range air-based missiles of the Russian Aerospace Forces have destroyed industrial buildings of the smithy-mechanical plant on the outskirts of Lozovaya, Kharkov Region, where the Ukrainian armed forces' armored vehicles were being rebuilt and repaired. High-precision air-based missiles have hit 4 Ukrainian command posts, as well as 15 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration. Operational, tactical and dummy aviation have hit 73 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of more than 150 nationalists, 3 missile artillery depots and 1 fuel depot near Kodem, Donetsk People's Republic, 8 tanks and armored vehicles, 1 Grad multiple rocket launcher, 1 field artillery battery, 10 special vehicles, and 1 US-made counter-battery radar station near Seversk, Donetsk People's Republic. Russian air defense means have shot down 1 Su-29 aircraft of the Ukrainian Air Force near Slavyansk, Donetsk People's Republic. Also, 13 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down near Yasinovataya, Stavka, Donetsk People's Republic, Volcheyarovka, Boroven'ka, Lugansk People's Republic, Balakleya, Glubokoe, Verbovka, Liptsy, Mikhailovka, Kharkov Region, and Tokmak, Zaporozhye Region. Missile troops and artillery have hit 431 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration and 34 firing positions of artillery and motor units. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of more than 300 nationalists, 10 tanks, 2 Grad multiple rocket launchers, 17 special vehicles, 17 field artillery mounts and motors, as well as 3 Ukrainian missile artillery weapons depots near Verbovka. In total, 190 Ukrainian aircraft and 129 helicopters, 1,127 unmanned aerial vehicles, 330 anti-aircraft missile systems, 3,424 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 473 multiple launch rocket systems, 1,795 field artillery and motors, as well as 3,446 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.